Hi guys, I'm Jeff Eisenman with Maverick Applied Science. Today for our third Maverick Soapbox, we're going to talk about challenges to reliability. So let's get started. So first I want to pose a question. What are the causes of FRP failures? So in an internal research study, we have identified or examined 51 FRP failures to categorize contributing factors to those failures. Some of the failures go back as far as 1998, and the study is still ongoing today here at Maverick. So let's take a look at the results. So we've identified 5 contributing factors that can lead to FRP failures: material selection, engineering deficiencies, fabrication deficiencies, installation issues, and operational events. So now we're going to drill down on each one a bit here, and the first one we're going to talk about is material selection. So examples of material selection deficiencies might be say improper resin selection, thermoplastic lining selection in the case of dual laminates, selection of veil materials. All these would be examples of improper material selection. So of those cases examined, 7% of the time we found improper material selection to be a contributing factor. So now we're going to move on to the next contributing factor, that's engineering deficiencies. So engineering deficiencies could be an error in calculations, not following the standards, using unverified material properties. In the case of piping, could be maybe a pipe stress analysis should have been performed but was not. These would be examples of engineering deficiencies. So engineering deficiencies were found in 39% of the cases examined to be a contributing factor to the failure. So the next contributing factor that we would like to talk about is fabrication deficiencies. So examples of fabrication deficiencies might be a flaw in flange construction, bottom flatness in the case of a tank, poor laminating practices, excessive misalignment or gaps at joints, poor quality, air voids, pitting, dry glass, things of that nature. Fabrication deficiencies were found 29% of the time in the cases examined. So the next contributing factor that we identified was installation issues. Installation issues might be poor alignment in pipe joints, flange failure due to over torquing, unqualified laminators and bonders, improper pipe supports would all be examples of installation issues or that lead to installation issues. So of those, installation issues were found 20% of the time in the cases examined. So now we're going to talk about our final contributing factor, which is operating events. Operating events examples might be process upsets would be general characterization. For example, overpressurizations, temperature spikes, water hammer, changes in the process would all be operational events. Operational events were found in 5% of the cases examined to have led to the FRP failures. So in summary, what we would like to bring to light is these are all elements of planning and execution. And it's our opinion that the vast majority of these issues are preventable and definitely can be eliminated from the process. So what we would like to offer as a solution or a remedy is a new project execution plan. Now, we don't have time today to talk about this further. We will have another soapbox next week, so check us out. But that's all for now, and we'll talk to you soon.